other things that are happening outside of idlozi that are affecting our lives, and masisedlozini thina sibuye inkinga zedlozi sibheka zona kuphela. And yet idlozi is just a certain aspect. The problem is once usasesedlozini ubuka le nyama wena ukuthi uyinyama ewilombala, awubuki spirit. When you begin to see the spirit, you begin to understand ukuthi okay, maybe in my past life bengise Mexico, ngiyi-Mexican, or bengise India, or bengise Egypt. Lapho-ke umqondo wakho uyavuleleka-ke ukuthi maybe lama methods engiwasebenzisayo ngisebenzisa ama-methods enyama, angisebenzisa ama-methods e-spirit. Set your spirit free. Edlozini sithi set your spirit free because your spirits need to be free. Ama-spirits ethu kusho ukuthi awekho free. Vele awekho free uma ezobuya kuNkulunkulu azosi-affecta la emhlabeni. The reason why we share these stories, and you are going to see a lot of this happening manje kule age esesingene kuyona, because it's an age of using knowledge esinayo to spread it and let people aba-resonatehayo bathathe lokho abangakuthatha bafunde from you, bese kuthi naye umuntu akuzwayo ngaphakathi akukhiphela abanye, because we understand manje ukuthi we are one. I am you, you are me. Everything is one. Everything is now. Once wangena kuleso stage soku-understanda, ya relax, awubusawara ngokuthi umuntu utheni, mina ngizwa leyo nto, khona abanye abayizwayo. And there's a whole lot of other people abazoyiza bayithathe bayisebenzisa. It's all about empowering other people, because omunye umuntu wena angeke uthi une-information which is going to set free abanye abantu and then igodle kuwena. And people need to understand ukuthi you mustn't be confined into a corner. Set yourself free and do what comes from within, because we are connected. We are all connected, and there is an abundance of everything in this universe. Everything that you need, everything that you want is already out there waiting for you to tap into it and use it. People shouldn't be confined ukuthi mina ngikhulele lana ngakhula kanje and ngizoshonela lana. Angeke ngiyenze into kanjena because mina angikho, angiyena lela bala, angiyona into ekanjena. Enye age ke le esesingene kuyona manje. Just know ukuthi the only limitations onawo ilawa ozinika wona.